This is sharp enough right now. It's good enough from the Norton 4K and 8K. Right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the Belgian cortical. This is natural cortical. As you can see, if you look at it and the size, and you will see it's natural. And I really don't like to use the Belgians a lot, but now I'm going to use it because so many people use the Belgians. This is Isher and this is Isher slaughter stones. And I'm going to put a little water and then take the shell and just rub it. What I do, I grab on my hand and flat as I did this, and I took the blade all the way along and then go down. X motion. You have to be a little slowly because of the size of the stone, and you don't have to hurry and cut yourself or do anything else. I don't know how I can do better. You can see it in the camera. I think this is with a better motion. Yeah. So uncomfortable to me because I'm stationed here, but as long as you can see it, and I bent home a little bit toward down. I'm just trying to show on the camera. Home should be stay flat. Okay. And again, there is no pressure on it. Zero pressure, absolutely zero pressure. And by doing laps and then put a little more water, some people use the backside of the Belgian. I think a long time ago they didn't use it. They were thinking it's useless, but right now scientific people find out that you can use the backside too, and it will give better edge. But I really don't need to use the backside or the front side of the. That function is done. I just want to show you how to do it and how you use it, and that's all. Now comes up fascinated horns. This small horn is in here. It's a Nakayama. I love it. This is very small horn, but does great job. I should say excellent job. This is Isher. It's yellow green Isher. This one is the Isher 2. Blue gray Isher. And there is a couple more Ishers. One of them is in the box, and it's really very nice little horn. That is slaughter stone. Then lastly, this is a 8-inch Isher.